Hey guys, I hope it's not too late to record this. Thought it could be useful. I opened up my Epson WF 2540, and the problem that I was having with it initially was that it wasn't printing. It stayed put away forever, and everything got clogged up. So I followed a bunch of YouTube videos on how to clean the head. I tried a lot of different things, and really nothing worked. So the last thing I tried was following a YouTube video that tells you to remove the head and dip it in he says in water. But what I did is I put a little bit of Windex on this, just flat. This was like a couple of days ago. That's why this is dry like that. And you put the head like that, and it really cleans it up. Everything comes out of it. Um, and I don't know what I did wrong. I think I might have, because after I did that, I dried it, and I think I might have got some of it in there, some of the cleaner, and I might have shorted it. I don't know if that's what happened or not, but since I did that, I started having this error. I'm gonna plug her in. Blinks like that. Paper jam inside the product. Of course, now there's not even an inside, right? Because I pulled her all apart. You see, the fax is over there and everything. And sorry for the mess on my desk. I've been working hard at it. But this is what was happening. Right after I put it all together very nicely, I didn't unplug it. If you read online on people that did this job, they all unplugged the rear cable, and I didn't. Try to put some light on this. See, that cable is still attached. But it was pretty easy to remove it. And now I decided to remove it again just to see if I could trace back my steps and find out what I did wrong. And nothing worked. Really nothing worked. Now the printer is completely disconnected. It's all tore apart, and it's just giving me the same message. I already unplugged it for a number of hours like everybody says. Still the same thing. So I thought I would show you guys the insides of this printer. Try to put some light on here. Just because you might be having trouble with something and you want to try to fix it, and it's useful to you in some way to know how it is inside. So that's how it is. What you're seeing right there, sorry for the terrible, very poor video work here. What you're seeing here is the connectors. That goes in the back. Oh man, I didn't have time to pull out my GoPro, so you guys are gonna have to put up with my one hand work. So you see, that's what it looks like. It goes right back in here. There's some grooves here, one on the other side. So those hooks, they slide in there. Once I put it here, for some reason the camera adjusts, it takes the light away, but that's how it goes. Okay, you slide that all the way in. And the print head, this one now is dirty because I've been trying to I spent so much ink on this. Anyways, you see it has 3 holes, not 4. 4 screws. I mean, not counting that one in the middle. Holes for screws. This one, and this one. So that tells you the position it goes in. So it goes in like this. Just like that. So you just pretty much drop it in here. I'm not gonna push it in. You gotta kind of, it has to be it's a tricky position to get in. Best way that I found to deal with this, yeah, yes. And I just, everything's destroyed, but I'm still taking care of it as if I possibly can fix it. All right, so that's it. Video's already very long. I'm gonna cut it off. Just wanted to show how things are. I'm showing the back very quickly. I'm gonna probably take this and use it as a precision electric engine or motor, if you will. That's it. I hope it helps you if you're curious, if you need to find out how this is inside. This is the back. And what did I remove for that? This was here and I removed it. It was easy to remove. Pretty much tabs and a couple of screws. It explains itself. I don't need to show you. The scanner unit was very easy. There's one screw that goes here on this side. Sorry. And then you just pop it. And before you do that, to get to that screw, you have to remove the paper. You have to remove that. So that goes right there in the back of the printer. And to remove it, all I did was pry this out. So boom, pry it out, take it out. Then the screw shows, what am I saying? The screw, I don't even remember where the screw is because it attached to the side. So it's already gone. But you will see, there's one screw on this side. You take that screw out, then you tilt, you lift and tilt out this unit. That opens up a lot. Once that's done, then you see all of this. The next thing to do is get the side. I'm gonna get the other side out, and in the front, just kind of wanted to show you guys on a video before it got too destroyed. All right.